how to see and delete all of your Facebook stories. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook stories, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has that 3-bar icon, and simply go for settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And here under your activity you will have activity log. Tap on that, and then scroll right side and go for story activity. And here on the upper left side you will have archive option. Simply tap on archive, and then again tap on story archive, and here you will have your stories. So for now I only have one story, so from here you can see your story archive. But if you want to delete them, then you can simply hold that or simply tap on that, and then go to the upper right corner which has that 3 dots icon, and then tap on delete video and delete. So that's it. That's how you simply remove your stories or delete your stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.